Hi there, Christopher Thunder here from Rider of the Storm and the World's Dirtiest Workshop. I'm here to talk to you about motorcycle exhaust canisters. Sorry for the gratuitous titling. This is a how-to video and a busted eardrum production. There are two kinds of motorcycle exhaust canisters, the adjustable ones and the non-adjustable ones, and maybe the poorly adjusted ones. Never use power tools when installing these things because you can do all kinds of damage. I learned the hard way that using a screw gun can create a cross-threaded bolt and it can lock itself so tight that you can't get it out. Make sure your bike has a good tune on it before you begin work. Make sure you have a good choice of an air filter, such as a stock filter, a uni filter, or even a K&N performance filter. You should be working with two setups. One, a torque setup, and the other, a power setup. And then you can find the happy middle ground that works best for both of those. Here I'm going to give you a rough assembly order for this thing. You're going to install your resistance discs first, and then you're going to install a block-off plate, and then finally you're going to install an end cap or a beauty cap. This is really a two-hand operation, so you're going to be installing the discs with one hand, and then while you hold them together with the pipe, you're going to bolt on the discs with the other hand. You want to give the bike a quick startup test. You want to warm it up and throttle up the bike periodically just to test the throttle. The real test is when you're going to get it out on the road and ride it. With a block-off plate, the air doesn't go through the pipe and out the back. The air actually goes through the pipe and out the sides near the back. Start by doing a couple of pull-outs where you're getting onto the road and feel the bike. Let's do a quick high-end power configuration just to show you how it looks. Yes, the previous owner was very good at building bikes, but he wasn't very perfect about his wiring. Let's take out the block-off plate and see what happens. You actually get a really high-end power setup. You will get the maximum amount of flow, but you'll also get some noise protection. Last but not least, the final setup without any discs in it. This is extremely noisy and very dangerous for your hearing. I do have a video on my YouTube channel about adjusting a non-adjustable canister using some wire and some epoxy. As it turns out, it worked out really great, and I hope you watch my videos. I'm going to bring this video to a close by showing you some really old pictures of my old XR650L, which I am very proud of. This bike was so powerful that you could pull a wheelie in fourth gear without touching the clutch. I want to thank you very much for watching my video today, and hope to see you on my channel.